Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 9th of February afternoon analysis. All right, on this video, we will cover some charts and especially we will talk about tomorrow's CPI data. So let's start with our dollar index. As you can see here, dollar index is on flat trading. As you can see here, for the last 5 days, even like if we just account on that decline from the 3rd of February for the last 6 days, it's not moving that much. It's just like keeping its trading flat trading. So what we can expect? So first of all, there's two options. If you just see nobody's expecting, but it can happen. It can happen. We don't know, like a economic slowdown or other things. There are a lot of things to watch in inflation report. Nobody's expecting a slowdown, but if that happens, we may see an increase on that side. And also another thing is important. So if it just comes so high, it will rise also. Dollar index first small decline, then rise. Reason: people will just think that all right, it's too high, inflation is too high, so Fed definitely in March will raise the rates, will increase the interest rates. Instead of 0.25, they can increase 0.50. That will be on the table because they don't want to spend time another 2-3 months after March, because okay, the next one is the 2 months later, so they don't want to spend that time just waiting for another 25. All right, so it will be on the table 0.50%. If it just comes so high, that will be on the table. Market will price that one. On that pricing, we may see first decline, then rise in dollar index. So please just be careful on that one. Tomorrow, CPI data, inflation data of US in the afternoon, Central European time afternoon, will be released. Let's look at gold.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, as you can see here, gold is not moving. It's just like a trading flat, and it's not making any attempt to go higher. So what can we expect from here? As you can imagine, so the market, when it stops its rise, every time expected to decline. So if it just on the last, as you can see here, on the last previous 4-hour candle, it just tried this level. That means it's giving signal to go higher. But if it cannot manage to do that, if it cannot manage to test 1832 level, from here really nice decline is on the way. When it's on decline, first step is here, 1812 level. Then after we will see if it just cannot stop there, we will see 1800 level. So just watch that one. Also, if inflation goes too much higher, as I said, just reverse. Instead of declining the dollar index, we may see high level of dollar index. First decline, then if market believes that 0.50% interest rate in March, if they price that one, then we will see decline in gold prices. But first reaction will be probably on higher level, and if it doesn't decline before tomorrow's CPI data. Let's look at our US oil chart. What it's saying. All right, we are on our US oil chart. As you can see here, it's just trying to go higher and then just trying to test another test of $90 critical level. Why I'm saying critical level? Because it's a psychological level. When it's just over like a $90, it can just try $100. But as long as it's under that level, we will see another like expected correction on US oil. On for our chart, it just made these one. But on daily chart, when I just convert that one on daily chart, you will understand better. You see it's over, RSI is over 70 and it has to make that decline, and this is happening. I will just remind you one more thing. Let's see. These 1, 2, 3 every time. 35% rise, 37% rise from the low level rally prices. This is 52% rise. When that happens, the market just corrects itself with a sell-off. So that sell-off is expected in oil prices. Otherwise, global economies will just behave in recession, and in recession price collapse more than this correction. Oil producing countries don't want this. We will see these prices consolidating around 85, between 75 and 85, and it will be good for economies at the same time for oil producer. And just imagine if we just hit to a $75-$80 level in March, energy inflation will be zero, because last year this time of March was around $70-$75 already. So they will say success, inflation over. We will just wait and see in the coming days. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news tomorrow. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.